Shalom, I'm Dov Kaplan, Rabbi of Hampstead Gardens Suburb Synagogue. The period between the two holidays of Pesach, Passover, and Shavuot, the Festival of the Weeks, is called the Sfirat HaOmer, the counting of the days of the Omer. What is the meaning of Omer, and what is the significance of these days? Legend has it that when the people of Israel left Egypt, Moshe Rabbeinu, Moses our leader, told them that on the 50th day, God would reveal himself, would appear before the entire nation to give them the Torah at Mount Sinai. In the Torah, we are commanded to count these days forever, each year, starting on the second night of Pesach, counting each day for 49 days, and on the 50th day celebrate the holiday when we received the Torah. This is a reminder for us to refresh and renew our covenant and our relationship with God and with the Torah. And the counting is a way of showing our positive anticipation, our rejoicing that we are God's chosen people. What was the Omer? The Omer is a unit of measurement for volume. There's another commandment, another mitzvah in the Torah. When the temple existed, at the beginning of the barley harvest, to harvest this quantity, about 3.5 liters of barley, bring it up to the temple, and in a beautiful ceremony to the priest, the minister would raise it up to the heavens, thanking God for the blessing for that year, and asking for a bounty of barley and wheat, which begins, the harvest of the wheat begins on Shavuot, the festival of the weeks. In those days, if the harvest failed, there'd be famine and tragedy. We still have to appreciate it, that everything we eat and everything we have comes from the blessings of the heavens. So although this period is supposed to be a period of rejoicing and of happiness with the spring and the anticipation of the festival of the weeks of Shavuot, during the times of the Romans, it is said that the 24,000 disciples of Rabbi Akiva, the famous sage, died. It doesn't say how. But when the Talmud asks, how could they have died? They were such righteous sages. It is said because they did not treat each other with respect that is accustomed and that is appropriate for men of that stature. So during this period we have also some mourning customs. No weddings take place for 33 days. But we are also, again, anticipating that God willing will continue the rebuilding of our nation in the land of Israel and be able to rebuild the temple very soon.